Hello students, today we will see common size statement. In previous class, I taught you comparative statement. Comparative statement includes comparative income statement, comparative balance sheet. Today we will see common size statement. It is a tool of financial statement analysis, and the common size statement shows the relationship of various items with some common base, and it expresses in percentage of the common base. The common base are total of asset or total of equity and liabilities or revenue from operation. Revenue from operation means sales. In the common size statement also includes common size income statement and common size balance sheet. In the case of common size statement, income statement, whether it is in balance sheet. In common size statement, one item, that is in the case of income statement, revenue from operation is taken as 100. Okay. In the case of balance sheet, the total of balance sheet is taken, that is total of asset or total of liabilities is taken as 100. The common size statement can compared with those of the previous year, or it is compared with those of similar business with similar accounting policies must be there. Then only we can compare. Okay. Shall we move to the problem? Can you see this problem? Exercise number 6 in your book, page number 288. Exercise number 6, common size statement. Prepare common size income statement for the following particulars of Raja Limited for the year ended 31st March 2017. This is a question. The particulars is given 2016, 2017. Revenue from operation 4,50,000. Other income 67,500. Expenses 1,35,000. Now we are going to prepare common size income statement. Just we have to take down this question, then only we can do the sum. Here I make some headings for you. Exercise number 6, common size income statement of Raja Limited for the year ended 31st 3 2017. Particulars is here. Absolute amount of revenue from operation, percentage of revenue from operation is a heading for you. Now we can do the sum. What are the particulars are there? There are revenue from operation, other income and expenses are given in the question. Okay. So first of all you have to write revenue from operation. Okay. I have to write revenue from operation. Revenue from operation. Next what we have to write? We have to write other income. So we have to add other income. Okay. And revenue from operation for the first year, that is absolute amount is 4,50,000. So I am writing 4,50,000 and other income is 67,500. So I am writing. Next what we have to do? We have to add. Is it? So I am adding these two things, then I am getting 5 lakhs 17,500. 5 lakhs 17,500. Yes, what we have to write for this? We have to write as profit, or what we have to write? Total revenue. Yes, total revenue. This is total revenue. Okay. Then we have to subtract or less expenses. So I am writing less expenses. The expenses for the year is 1,35,000. So I am writing 1,35,000. So the total is, what will be total here? The total is 0, 0, 5 and 2, then we get 8 and 3. That's it. 3,82,500. This is profit. This is profit before tax. Okay, this is answer. This is a profit before tax. Okay, now I am going to make percentage of revenue from operation. You can see my question is here 4,50,000 is given. So I have to take 4,50,000 as base. I already told you we have to take revenue from operation, that is sales. Sales should be taken as base. So I am taking as 100. Revenue from operation is 100. From this only I have to work out. How will I make this percentage? Just listen here. That is, here this is a base and I am going to compare, I am going to make other income percentage. Okay. So we have to do 67,500 divided by 4,50,000 into 100. Okay, you understand? You have to take second year, that is not second year, second amount 67,500 and revenue from operation is base. So I take revenue from operation as base. So I am taking 4,50,000 into 100. Okay. Then what we will do? We will compare like this. How many times it will be? You can make. Okay. It will be 15 times. That is, you can make it 9. Then 1, 3, 5. Next we can simplify. 3 3s are 9. Here 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Next one more we will make. This one time. This 1 and 5 times. 5 3s are 15. Okay. So we get 15. So the year is, here we can make 15 as percentage. Okay. You can add, what will be answer? 115. 100 plus 15, 115. Okay. Otherwise we can do like this also. We can take 5 lakhs 500, 17,500 divided by 4 lakhs 50,000 into 100. Okay. You can do like this also. 45 times. Then what will be the answer? The answer will be 115. Can you follow me? Can you follow me? Okay. We can do like this also. Next I am going to compare the expenses. Okay. My expenses is 1,35,000. So I am writing 1,35,000. The base is 4,50,000 into 100. Here also I want to simplify. You can get like this and the answer will be How many times? 45 is 0 is there. Then 9 times, 5 means 9 times. Here we can make 5, that is 2 and 35, 7, 0. Next 3 times, 0 is there, so 30. Okay, so we can make 30. Then we can less or subtract. Here we can subtract and we can get 5, 8, that is 85%. Okay, so நமக்கு என்ன பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இந்த ரெவென்யூ ஃப்ரம் ஆப்ரேஷனை பேஸாக எடுத்துருக்கேன். நான் வேறு ஒன்றுமே பண்ணல. ரெவென்யூ ஃப்ரம் ஆப்ரேஷன் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன், பேஸாக எடுத்துருக்கேன். அப்போ இந்த பேஸ் ரெவென்யூ ஃப்ரம் ஆப்ரேஷன் பேஸாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நம்ம எப்படி எடுப்போம்னா 67,500 டிவைட் பை பேஸ் இன்டூ 100. 1,17,500 divided by base into 100. 1,35,000 divided by base into 100. 3,82,500 divided by base into 100. ஓகே, அப்படியும் போடலாம். இல்லை இதை நீங்கள் இதை மட்டும் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு மற்ற நீங்கள் வந்து ஆக்ஸேஷன் மைனஸ்லாம் பண்ணால் யூ கேன் கெட் திஸ் ஆன்சர். புரியுதா? இது வெரி ஈஸி, ரொம்ப ஈஸியானது. நம்ம இருக்கிறதுலே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபினான்ஷியல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் அனலைசிஸ் தான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். 3 மெத்தட் தான் நீங்கள் படிக்க போகிறீங்க. ஓகே, ஷால் வி மூவ் டு நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்?